Welcome to today's tutorial on setting up call tracking using CallRail, brought to you by Red Wagon Agency. Let's get started. Log in to callrail.com. On your dashboard, click Create a Tracking Number. Choose where to use and display this number, such as online in marketing campaigns or on printed materials. Answer a few simple questions about your tracking preferences, then click Create. Your tracking number is now ready. Your CallRail dashboard will display real-time data, including caller name, tracking number dialed, call source, caller phone number and location, and any PPC keywords used. Download reports directly from your dashboard or sync your data with Google Analytics and ads for deeper insights. Use this data to shorten lead response time and boost conversions, optimizing your business strategies. Thanks for watching. For more tips and services, check out Red Wagon Agency.